Alright, we're switching over to the GoPro view because we're having battery issues with the phone. So we're about to put the clutch on. And then we're going to try to throw this thing in the car. It's a big task for today, but we're going to try to do it anyway. So, let me throw the clutch on. I'm going to run a time lapse on the GoPro. Let's get it. Alright guys, as you can see, engine is in the Evo 10, transmission's in the Evo 10. We were in the process of recording it and the GoPro died. But don't worry, if you guys wanted to see that, go ahead, hop onto our TikTok page, and we're going to post some videos there of the whole process. We captured it on vertical form. It's on TikTok, it'll probably be a little bit on Instagram. Go ahead, check us out, the links are here below. But here is the Evo 10. Pretty much ready to go. It's going to do the wiring. Wait for a couple more parts to come in. There she is.